And glorify the Lord for His mercy and goodness. I'd always thought that to be great in this world is to achieve fame, glory, and honor, and that you can only do this by accumulating wealth and knowledge. But I praise and thank Jesus, because when He brought me back to His fold, I have realized that the greatest thing that man can have is that of being the Lord's servant, and that you can have the fullness of joy in serving Him. Jesus Christ, as we all know, came into this world and in all humility washed the feet of His disciples. I'm very happy for these kids, because even in their youth they have already realized where subservience is in order. That is subservience to selfishness, willingness to serve the interests of others. My prayer and the prayer of these children is that, Lord, continue to make us your servant. Mark chapter 10, verses 43 to 44. If anyone wants to be great, he must be the servant of the rest. If one of you wants to be first, he must be the slave of all. For even the Son of Man did not come to be served. He came to serve and to give his life to redeem many people.